We've now experienced the power of JavaScript and the document object. Next, let's continue our element selecting study. Just getElementById is not enough. If we can select element by its ID, we can also select it using its class and tag name. But there's a big difference between ID and class or tag name. ID is always unique, but class and tag name are not. This is why the word elements is in its plural form, getElementsByClassName, and getElementsByTagName. GetElementsByClassName is a newly added method. It didn't exist a few years ago. After years of eager anticipation, it's finally here. The result returned by the two getElements methods is different than the one returned by getElementById. We can still get an object, but that object is also an array. For example, we can select all li tags using the getElementsByTagName. But if we want to retrieve information from one li tag, we need to locate it using the index. Otherwise, the inner text property won't work. Even the UL list has only one list item. You still need the index. Apart from all the getElement methods, we also have two querySelector methods. They are querySelector and querySelectorAll. When setting argument values, make sure the ID has its hashtag and class has its dot. The difference between the two methods is querySelector will return you the first element matching the searching condition. querySelectorAll, however, will return you every matching result. Therefore, when you're using querySelectorAll, make sure you remember to add the index.